Welcome to Activity 1. Research and Analyze. Understanding Behavior in Cultural Contexts. In hospitality, small signals carry big meaning. The way someone holds their hands, how close they stand, whether they maintain eye contact or glance away. These subtle, nonverbal cues can either build comfort and trust or quietly undermine a guest's experience. To begin this module, you will become a cultural researcher. Your goal is to understand how one specific nonverbal behavior is expressed or avoided in a particular cultural style, and not just from a theoretical point of view. You will examine how this behavior plays out in real hospitality settings, such as hotel lobbies, restaurants, or guided experiences. You'll be working in small groups of 3 or 4. Together, you'll follow a clear, structured process. Step 1. Choose your focus. Start by selecting one nonverbal behavior. This might be smiling eye contact, touching posture, personal space. Now, choose a cultural communication style using the Lewis model. Select one country that fits into that style. For example, linear active, multi-active, reactive. For example, your group might decide to explore how personal space is perceived in Japan, a reactive culture. Step 2. Conduct focused research. You'll have 10 to 15 minutes to conduct targeted online research. Look for credible cultural sources, intercultural communication platforms, Berlitz guides, or reputable academic articles. Avoid casual blogs or informal forums. Your task is to discover how is this behavior, your chosen nonverbal cue, typically expressed in the culture you've selected. Ask yourself, is this behavior encouraged, avoided, or interpreted differently? Are there cultural rules that shape how this cue is used in professional hospitality settings? Look for examples specifically from hotel check-ins, guest greetings, restaurant service concierge, or travel support. For instance, if your topic is eye contact in Japan, you may discover that prolonged eye contact can feel aggressive or rude, while brief downward glances signal respect. This would have major implications for how a staff member should respond. Step 3. Organize and present. Once your group has gathered your findings, organize your research into 4 clear sections. Behavior. Name the nonverbal action. Eye contact. Culture and Lewis type. Specify the country and its category. Reactive, Japan. Typical nonverbal cue. Describe what's normal in that culture. Brief gaze, lowered eyes as a sign of politeness. Hospitality implication. Explain how this would influence guest-staff interaction. Prolonged eye contact from staff may make Japanese guests uncomfortable. Use these insights to create a simple but clear visual slide. This should include a heading for your behavior and culture, a short bulleted summary, any visual that helps illustrate the cue, a photo, a gesture diagram, or an icon. Finally, your group will present a 2-minute summary to the class. Focus on what you discovered, why this behavior is significant in guest service, one potential cultural misunderstanding, and how to avoid it. This activity helps you become more analytical, more observant, and more informed about what your guests might be silently communicating. Because in hospitality, the difference between attentive and intrusive can be measured in millimeters and in milliseconds.